Hello students. So I think you all were good and happy. So on that day we have completed this one thing, interstitial defect. After interstitial defect we are telling about the point defect. In this one, point defect can be classified as defect in stoichiometric crystal, defect in non-stoichiometric crystal, impurity defects. Now here is defects in stoichiometric crystals. Stoichiometric compounds are those in which the number of positive and the negative ions are exactly in the ratios. Means they are in the ratio 2:2, 3:3, 4:4, 5:5, indicated by the chemical formula. If A is 1, then B also be 1. A is 2, then B also be 2. Okay, Zn2O2 like this. CO2, C2O2 like this. So both the things are in the ratio is in the same proportion. So the defects in these type of compounds are called as stoichiometric defects. Okay, this type of defects which are coming in the stoichiometric compound is said to be the stoichiometric defect. Here first of all two things are taking place: defect, Schottky defect and Frankel defect. So here first we are telling about the Schottky defect. So what is the meaning of the Schottky defect? We should continue. This defect was discovered by the German scientist Schottky in 1930. Very important. It arises if some of the atoms or ions are missing from their normal lattice site. Means is this, any atom or ion is missing. Let's see here. This is AB. If this is missing or this is missing, anything which is missing from here, missing from the normal lattice, this is the normal lattice, missing it from here, then this is said to be the unoccupied place, is said to be the lattice vacancies, or we can say it is a hole. Again I am telling, this is a Schottky defect. Crystals are there, AB like this, and if B is not here, B removed, then A also be not be there. Not like this that B and B go. No. A will go, B will go, B will go, A will go. Like this. They are missing. If they are missing from the normal sides, then they are said to be the lattice vacancies, or they are said to be the holes. You can see here. They are said to be the holes, or they are said to be the lattice vacancy, which tell you about the Schottky defect. Okay, like this one. From here, B, A is present here. Here, A, B will come here. Means A is also Vivant and B is also Vivant. Means one is cation and one is anion. Okay, means is A is positive and B is negative. One is cation and one is anion. Both will remove from here. What it said? It is said to be the voids. Understood? What are the condition needed? The condition needed is a high coordination number is there. Cation and anion is almost similar sizes. Means there both the sizes should be similar. These are the examples of it. You can see the example and write down in your copies. Next is Frankel defect, which is very important. The defect which was discovered by the Russian scientist Frankel in 1926. It arises when an ion is missing from its normal position. Means is this ion is missing from the normal position. Normal position, the ions are missing, causing a vacancy or a hole, and occupies an interstitial site between the lattice point. Okay, what will happen here? You have seen, I have told to you about interstitial site. Same thing will happen here. This is the diagram of it, normal diagram. A is coming on this one side, cation. This A is came from here, it went on this one side. Okay, it come in between. A is coming here also A. So what we can say? We can say it arises when an ion is missing from the normal position. This is the normal position, but they are missing from here, causing a vacancy or a hole, and occupies the interstitial site. Means they leave their position and it is missing from here, and they come in any other place. It means they are coming in an interstitial site. So what we can say, when they are coming in an interstitial site, so they are said to be the Frankel defect. Interstitial site between the lattice point, it is said to be the Frankel defect. Condition necessary, coordination number is low, here coordination number is high. Here anions are much larger in size than cation. Means anion is negative, na? Means negative size is more than the cation. Okay? Understood till here? After this, we are telling about some differences of Scotty and the Frankel. So these one things please write down in your copies, student. This was your homework and please complete your work nicely. Thank you, students, and have a nice day and be happy.